YouTubers, good morning. Mike Martins here, Mike Martins channel. Just taking down a stroll through downtown Merritt, and somebody asked me in a video in the comments saying that, my yawning is being very distractive, and I should pre-rehearse more and prepare better. And they truly got a point. But I like to be on the fly. I like to say things how they are. Me and you, we're actually having a conversation right now. I didn't plan this, it's just coming out. You know what I'm saying? Here I am, downtown, walking down the street. Whatever happens, happens type of thing. You're kind of walking beside me and talking to me and telling me basically how your day is going and what you've been up to and what you have going on, right? So, just wanted to put that out there, originality, and that's what you get here on the Mike Martins channel. If I do record something and then it's always usually heavily edited and fixed up, and it's more for entertainment purposes. But oh, someone's moving store, 20% off store. Oh, that's sad. Hope they move to a better, bigger, better place. Anyways, I just wanted to throw that out there. I don't want to, when I yawn, it's natural. It's, hey guys, you know what, am I tired? Nah, I yawn all the time. But do I have a deficiency in vitamin B12? Who knows? But all I want to know is that this is just a day-to-day thing. Comment below, let me know what you guys think, and have a great day.